Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divano Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to match the skin tone using Retouch Academy panel. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, many photographers do have difficulties doing this. So on this video I'm going to explain the tips on how to use Retouch Academy panel to actually match the skin tone. So what I'm going to do, so after retouching, this group here actually contains the process of retouching. So once you're done retouching, what next you need to do is to match the skin tone, which I'm going to show you right now. So I'll just come to this Retouch Academy panel. You just click it. So after since I opened Photoshop, I did not open that. That's actually why it's taking time to load. So once this is being opened, this is how it's going to show. So you come to this magical skin tone, which is here. You can see glowing skin. You won't use this one. Then I'll just hit on the magical skin tone. You just leave it to load. So once it's done loading, it's actually going to create a mask on it. So what you need to do is to pick a brush and right click, make sure the hardness is at 50. So I like using the hardness at 50. So once that is done, make sure the opacity is at 100 and also the flow at 100. So you now start painting on the area you want it to be added on, and make sure you don't paint it on the eye and on the lip, just the skin. So I'll just paint it. I'll do this just to know where I'm painting it to. So while doing this, you need to be very careful while doing this. As I said earlier, make sure it does not enter the eye or the lip. Just make it on the skin. So anyway, if you're trying to brush, then mistakenly this happened. This has actually entered the background. You just come change the foreground to black, then you brush it out. Then you come back to white, then you continue brushing. So that is how it is. So just make sure you brush. While doing this, you need to pay close attention so you won't allow it to enter the dress or the eye or the lips. So you need to be careful while doing this, because if you take your time to make sure it only enters just the skin, the result is going to be wow. But if you just paint it anyhow, it will look somehow. You can see how I'm careful at that point, so I don't want it to enter the dress. I just brush just the skin. So you guys should just wait for the result of this. You love it. So I'll come here and I'll do the same. Spread this out. And make sure all the part of the skin, the effect is on it. So once I'm done here, I'll come to this foreground, change it to black, and I'll correct this place. So once I'm done, I'll zoom out and I'll take this off. So it has been added on it. So this is it. It's just a mild effect being added on it. This is actually how to blend the skin tone using the Retouch Academy panel. So if you think any part is bright, you can still, like for example, I'll select this part, I'll select this, then I'll select this as well, and I'll make sure you feather it to 77 or more. So I'll just reduce the brightness, and once you reduce the brightness, take this layer down here. So let me group the two. You can now see the before and after. So this is actually how you can blend the skin tone in Photoshop using the Retouch Academy panel to do that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, see you in the next video.